Alright guys, in this episode we are going to unbox the latest Hexagear Governor. Alright, it comes with all the stuff. This is the instruction manual, and usually they will come with an archive card. This will be the archive card. Now for the next episode, which is episode 3, I'm gonna need your help, okay? So I'm thinking of building one of these governors. If you remember from the first episode, okay, the early governor, or from today's episode, number 2, the Warmage Hetzer. Okay, what I need you guys to do is to comment on the section below if you want to see the number 1 or the number 2, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, thank you so much guys. If you like my channel, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you so much guys.